you ever been stuck in a sweltering truck cab with your AC giving up on you? Man, it's miserable. Welcome to the latest episode of Tech Tips. We're going to focus on air conditioning systems and how they work and what maintenance you need to do to keep this from happening. So let's get started. Your air conditioning system is all about cooling, compressing, circulating, and expelling heat to the outside. Okay, it all starts here with the AC compressor. It is in the engine compartment. The compressor is belt driven and compresses refrigerant, which is also known as Freon. Okay, be very careful when you're troubleshooting and testing the AC system. The components are very, very hot, especially leaving the compressor area. So use a thermal heat gun to get your temperature readings. Next up is the condenser. If both the input and the output lines of the condenser are the equal temperature, then your condenser could be clogged with debris. And this could be dirt or debris stuck in the fins or between the condenser. The best way to clean this out is either using water in a water hose or compressed air. The receiver dryer is the next stop. It filters impurities and removes moisture from the liquid Freon before passing it along. If this component is frozen, it may be clogged, blocking the Freon flow. In such cases, if the receiver dryer needs to be replaced, always get a trained professional to do this. If the input line and the output line going in and out of the receiver dryer are the same temperature, it could indicate low Freon or a clogged receiver dryer. The expansion valve or the orifice tube is where the magic happens. Its role is to control the amount of liquid coolant entering the evaporator to drop the pressure, cooling the Freon in the process. So the whole concept of this magic is just like water coming out of a water hose and you putting your finger over it. The pressure increases and you can feel the water getting cooler. It's the same thing that happens here. The Freon going through the expansion valve goes through a little bitty hole. It increases the pressure and it increases the temperature of the Freon. Okay, this is the evaporator removed from the truck. As you can see, here's your expansion valve, and the Freon flows through this orifice tube in the expansion valve and it goes into the evaporator. This evaporator is behind the dash. It's kind of hard to get to, but you have a blower motor that sits over and it blows through it, and that's how the cold air comes out of your vents of your dash. The most important thing you can do is to make sure that this is cleaned properly. They sell on the market this coil cleaner. If you spray into the evaporator, you need to start and turn on your AC and let it run. And whenever it starts dripping out your overflow tube, then it flushes the debris out of the evaporator. It's very important to keep your cab filter clean. If you experience low airflow coming out of your vents, more than likely it's plugged up. On this vehicle, it's hidden right here. Just remove it, replace it. Also, it has the airflow direction. Make sure the airflow direction is correct. For more complex issues, consult a trained professional to keep your system in peak condition. So that's how your AC system works and why maintenance matters. Hopefully these tips will help you keep cool on even the hottest days. All right, thank you for watching this episode of Tech Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, remember to stay safe and keep trucking.